my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today's video is all about the poll that I did on Instagram and on Facebook. That is how I organize my toddler stuff. And so many of you gave a thumbs up, a yes, that you want to see the video wherein how I organize my toddler stuff. Now, you know that toddlers have lots and lots of stuff, be it their clothes, their shoes, their toys, napkins, bibs, towels, etc. etc. And we need space to organize these things. So like for me, I'm an organization freak. I like to keep the things organized at their place. So I've divided sections and I have customized few things so that I can get in Avya's stuff properly. And the sections that are there are like a soft toy section, a towel section. I like to divide the space into drawers or a hanger section, or folding clothes together, or just a soft toy section, or just an accessory section. Without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So this is Avya's cupboard, and you can see how I have kept her clothes, stuff. So I'll tell you how I divide sections of her clothes. So basically the clothes that are in hangers are her dresses and everything, her dresses, the new clothes that she hasn't wore yet, or in case these clothes, if I fold them, they are going to be messy. So that's what I do. I hang all her dresses like this, and the frocks, etc. I just hang them up properly. And these are the clothes that she wears on a regular basis. So these are the these are the winter wear that I have just taken out. So these are the full sleeves clothes. These are her night suit section. These are like at the back, you can see the leggings and the pants section. These at the back are the full woolen section, and these are her tops, etc. And for the drawer, as you can see, socks section, this is the napkin section, bibs, napkin, extra towels. The regular towels I keep it somewhere else, but for extra new towels I keep it here. And for this is the drawer, like the clothes that I know is going to fit her like in the next season, and extra clothes I keep it in a drawer nicely. And these are her shoes section, all the shoes that she wear. Extra diaper, I keep it here. These are her blankets. So as you can see, there's still I have more space where I can stuff in more stuff. So I like to keep it neat and tidy, and fold the clothes like this together so that you have extra space to keep more stuff. In case if you want to add more stuff, you can definitely go for the sections, the line sections that I like to follow. And I'll close it and show you so that you can, in case if you want, you can get it ready-made online, especially on websites like Pepperfry, etc. And you can get a custom-made cupboard. This was the section that I've kept in for the clothes, the napkins, towels and shoes, etc. Now I'll move on to the cabinet where I keep all her toys, her books, her accessories, her bags, the daily products that the baby use. So this is the other cabinet that I was talking about. I've got this made specially to keep Avya's stuff. So I'll be showing you how I have organized all her stuff. So moving to the toiletries drawer, all her products, her diapers, wipes, comb, everything is in a particular drawer. And then moving on to her accessories drawer that I've already shown you. So I've got these boxes, like these. You can, as you can see, these have sections to keep all the hairbands. It's a basket. This is a small box. All these I have got from Minoso. You can get it from Amazon. As you can see, these are section clips. You can keep a pair or more than a pair in a particular section. And this is a tray where I have divided all. That's Avya singing ABC in the background. So now moving on to the third drawer. This is all her toys. that I've kept all the puzzle toys. So as you can see, she can easily take it out from here. And moving on to her bag section. So these are all her carry bags that she carries outside. And then the large drawer. So this is her books, puzzle, all the learning things that she has. I have kept it at a place, single place. So this is like the Fisher Prize, the wheels on the bus, and all the puzzles. As you can see, the alphabets. These are one from the Shumi toys, and these are all her books, storybook rhymes. So this is the portion that I have kept in for her. So that's how I divide all her stuff. Yes, Avya? Yes? You like it? He looks. And now here she is studying. Moving on to her soft toy section. So as you can see, all the soft toys are just loaded in. So I've made a big drawer. Sometimes she likes to sit inside the drawer also. And all the soft toys I've kept in one place so that it's easy for her to pick whatever toys she wants to play. Now, this drawer is kept according to Avya only because she just takes one soft toy and then she puts it back in. So I'm not involved in all the cleaning stuff. It's Avya's department. So this is the big drawer that has all her soft toy stuff. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. In case if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want to watch similar topics like these, please leave in the comment section so that I can bring similar videos. And your comments and replies mean a lot to me because then I know whether I'm doing it right or wrong. So please do leave a comment in case if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. Bye bye.